Automotive shops are very vulnerable to fires due to flammable or combustible liquids. For example, paint, gasoline, volatile chemicals, and more. To help minimize and eliminate the risk of fires in your automotive shop, we have 5 tips for you. Tip number 1, store materials safely. Flammable liquids should be kept in sealed containers when not in use, and store in an airtight metal cabinet or flammable storage room. Gas cylinders should be stored away from high traffic areas. After using rags with solvent, store them in a sealed container and dispose of them as hazardous waste. If rags are used with water-based cleaners, store them in a sealed container and send them to a commercial laundromat. Tip number 2, use electrical equipment properly. If wires are frayed or damaged, discontinue use. Require all employees to properly clean and maintain all electrical tools. Regularly inspect and maintain battery charging equipment. Tip number 3, keep the workplace clean. Use non-flammable solvents for cleaning, for example, water-based degreasers and concrete floor cleaners. Clean the floor regularly to eliminate dust, dirt, oil, and clean up spills immediately. Clean drip pans daily to prevent buildup of flammable liquids. Keep equipment, raw materials, and scraps out of aisles and doorways. Tip number 4, avoid excessive heat. Avoid space heaters, portable lamps, or flame sources near spray painting, welding, oil, and gas cylinders. Enforce no smoking rules at the facility. Tip number 5, develop a fire prevention program. Have all employees trained in chemical hazard and safety. Inform workers of the potential fire hazards of their job and plan procedures. Create a material safety data sheet for all toxic chemicals. Include weekly facility inspections, daily housekeeping, cleanup duties, and regular maintenance of HVAC and fire protection systems. Include procedures for controlling workplace ignition sources such as smoking, welding, and burning. Train all employees of proper usage of fire extinguishers. Implement a fire alarm system. Include steps for evacuation and schedule drills. We hope these tips will help you prevent fires in your automotive shops. This material was produced under grant number SH99059-SHO from the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, U.S. Department of Labor. It does not necessarily reflect the views or policies of the U.S. Department of Labor, nor does mention of trade names, commercial products, or organizations imply endorsement by the U.S. government.